going to be teaching you how to make a Lego brick car. It's divided into 5 pieces. Not sure my boy TD Bricks could make it. First part is this part. You need a telephone piece like that, a 1x8 plate, a clip piece, a wheel, and a metal bar. I mean 2 of clip pieces and the 1x8 plates like that. This is not an actual Lego set, but it came from a Lego set that I didn't build. So yeah, there it is. Second part is the spoiler part. It's only 5 and 6 pieces. You need a 1x2 cheese. You need 2 1x2 cheese slopes, a 2x4 flat plate. Wait, I can't get it. Here, just there. It's a 2x4. And this piece is a unique one. I don't know what it's called. And then this piece with some texture. So yeah, we're done with the spoiler. Next is the windshield. This is the exhaust pipe. It's only 2 pieces, a faucet piece and this cup thingy. I think it's a cup piece. You need 2 of the cup pieces and the faucet pieces. You need a 1x4 flat plate, a car glass piece, a 1x4 plate under there, and this red thingy, I don't know, a giant stud thingy or what. This random sideways building technique piece. This piece. And 4 clips. I think that's all the pieces. Now we need to put them together again. That's only 3 out of 5, okay? And then here's the biggest piece that we have. You need this piece. Yeah, that's a cool looking piece. Unique. 3 2x3 pieces. 3 of them, okay? 3 of them. And then this wheel piece. Excuse me. So yeah, there we go. And we need to put them all back together. This piece and this piece, this one connects there. Oh wait, we need to remove this, and then there, it connects there, and then we put this back in. That's 2 pieces combined. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you about the back piece here. You need this, but it's optional, okay? This piece, 1x2 flat black plate and a 1x2 plate. And then this unique piece right here, you need 2 of these. And then this one, you need a 2x4, a 2x2 plate. You put them right like there. Then this one here. It's optional, okay? And then the spoiler and the back piece go together. There we go. And then this one giant piece made from two pieces, you put under there. Oh, just sorry for the damage. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. By the way, please subscribe. I use a lot of time building this. And then the windshield piece. Yeah, this has the most pieces. And then this piece, you put it there. And here's our Lego drip cars. And by the way, bonus one, here's a Lego Transformer. It's small, but it has powerful pieces. Oh my gosh. You need 2 1x1 plates. Oh wait, it's divided too. The tail, the front piece, the back piece, and the wings. So yeah, it's small. You can tell. Like, look at these. This one only contains 3 pieces. 1x1 flat plate, a Technic 1x1 brick, and the one Technic rod. I can't get it out. So we're gonna show you the wings. So here are you need 2 of these pan pieces. You really need that. 2 of the 2 of these 1x3 flat plates, 2 of these wing pieces, and then 1 2x3 plate. So yeah, this is only bonus. And yeah, I had some materials to make it, even though it's unique materials. And then so we put the back piece here. There we go. So here's the front piece. Here you need this piece. I don't know what it's called, but it's like a slope piece there. Here it is. There. And then you put it there on top of a Technic rod. This is the Technic rod I'm showing you. There. It's the size of the Queen Ant, and a 1x1 brick and a 1x1 Technic brick. So put them together like that. There it is. And by the way, this flat round plate, so you put it there, and the tail piece has second to the least because it's only 4 pieces. This is a tube Technic piece, 2 1x1 plates, and this random piece that I don't know what it's called. So when you put them together, it makes the Transformer. And the Transformer only has 1 foot. So here, it goes on 1 foot. That's why it only flies. Joking. There's actually 2 feet below this one foot looking thing. There's 2 feet underneath. And then the guns are the actual hands. So you turn them like there. And then there you have 2 hands. That's why I told you you needed it. And this one, this piece, you just turn it like 180 degrees. 180. So yeah, there is our transformer. And I'm gonna show you to make a Devastator too. It's a lot of Decepticon parts that's turned into one. So we need these 2 vehicles. I mean these 3 vehicles. You also need the Jeep. It's actually the Decepticon. I just call it the Decepticon because it cannot transform but has Decepticon parts. So yeah, 1 by 1, 2 1 by 1 bricks, 2 1 by 1 Technic bricks for the legs, and then a minifig leg. Yeah, I'm brutal to them. Just kidding, guys. It's just an extra piece. So here it comes with this. So this vehicle, I will just take its sides. And then these 1 by 1 cheese ropes. So we could make the armor. By the way, guys, for the head you need a stud, a black stud, like this, and then a 1 by 1 Technic brick, and then a 1 by 1, and then a Technic pole. Yeah, 1 by 1 Technic pole. So here is the head. Wait a minute, it's a laser head. Oh my gosh, that hurts. Get ready to hurt your fingers. Oh my gosh, this hurts so bad. Okay, so yeah, you'll have a hard time putting the head. And then the shoulders is actually here. There, it's made from 2 pieces. 1 by 1 tech. 1 by 1 tech. You need two 1 by 1 Technic bricks and 2 1 by 1 Technic poles. The one with the holes, okay, not the crisscross one. That's the other one. And then the cheese ropes, you put them there. But it's your choice of or what. I'm just showing you how I made mine. So here's the feet. We're gonna put them there. I needed to be careful when I put this. Oh yeah, there's the feet. Yo, now. This used to be an original minifigure. And then we're just gonna take the exhaust pipes for the arms from the Lego Jeep car. You put them there. Make sure that you can still I made sure that I could still remove it. There you go. That's already looking cool. And then the missiles from this Lego set. That's actually my episode 1. So yeah, you put that low technic rod there. And it's pretty much done. And yeah, Optimus Prime as a new enemy. We just made Optimus Prime as new enemy. No, I'm sorry Optimus Prime, but it's for the video. And this random tank that I made, it's not Megatron. It's not Megatron. Because if it was Megatron, what kind of Megatron is this? What kind of Megatron is this? And this is Gigatron. I call it Gigatron. Warghetto Spear. What is it? Gigatron's here. Yeah, Warghetto Spear hates Gigatron. He hates him so bad that he uses scissor wings to kill him. Like, it goes like Ninja Chinese. Xinhua Shangla. To kill it. And this, Wei Shangshi. So yeah, Optimus Prime is a new enemy now. So yeah, that's 3 items now. Well, I'm just gonna say bye.